this gorgeous cranberry golden bronze look that is just gorgeous on every skin tone, and it's also beginner friendly. Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyasha and this is Makeup a Difference. So if you want to see how this video goes, please stay tuned and carry on watching. So we're starting off with some vitamin C, but only for it to spill everywhere before I begin. I'm putting that on my skin, and then I'm going in with my Azure Beauty Intense Firming Serum, which is so good on my skin. I love how my skin been looking lately, you guys. The glow is absolutely different. It's different. So I went in with my Tatcha, then I'm gonna lay my brow hairs. If you are not laying your brow hairs in 2024 before you even put your pencil on your brows, I'm looking at you different. But I like the stroke method. If you guys know, I like to mimic brow hairs, but I also like them quite there. And I'm using my concealer to sculpt my brow. Then I'm going in with the Primark Beauty foundation, and this one is the dupe for the Estee Lauder, and it's the different one from the one that I tried last time. And look how great it matches my skin. It's in a shade Chai. It does smell a little bit funny though, I must say, but the coverage is stunning. Then I'm going in with my contour bronzer cream and with my concealer from H&B Beauty. So this is a quick tutorial, guys, super easy, beginner friendly for you guys to just follow through. And that, then I'm blending all of that together. We are setting our face with the H&B Cosmetics powder in the shade Banana. And I just want to ask how you guys 2024 going so far. But yeah, mine is going okay. It could be better, but we thank God for every moment. So I am going to bronze and contour my nose, and then we are going to conceal. So this eyeshadow look I am doing is just like a simple bronzy. I've done this look before. It's kind of like it goes with every season, so that's what I wanted to do, something for you guys that you can wear at every season, that suit every skin tone. That's going to be using my P. Louise Bridal XL palette to achieve this eyeshadow look. It's super simple. It's only two colors, which is a reddy pinkish brown and a bronzy gold eyeshadow. So just two colors. I like simple things, guys, and I know you guys also do too. I went ahead to put some lashes on, and I went in with the Vitamin Babe hydrating mist, and I had forgotten how much I love this spray. It makes my face so nice and dewy and glowy, and I tell you, this year the glow gotta be different. It's got to be different. So I'm highlighting all the areas that I want them to pop, and then I'm gonna just do a simple bronzy lip combo, which is something that I always do anyway. So brown liner and also warm nude from Lip Shape from Makeup Revolution. So it's just like a warm tone liquid lip, and I also went in with the She Glam gloss. This is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look. I really enjoyed just recreating. It's so glowy, it's so dewy, and also trying the Primark foundation. Though I tried it already, it's super full coverage, but it's so nice and it's dewy. And I must say, this spray, I kind of stopped using it, but I love the way it's so dewy, and it makes my skin glowy, and it makes me look vibrant and healthy. Just gives a beautiful balance and a healthy glow. So let me know in the comments what you guys think, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.